I don't want to go to the gym.
It's definitely small. Starting to cave a little.
What are you gonna do? Spin on it with your skates?
Yeah. Do
I mean, if I was Nicole,
whoop, whoop, whoop.
that is unbelievably terrifying.
Yeah, I fly home back to Melbourne in a couple days. Oh, my mom's coming back. Sorry, my thing is disconnected.
Oh my god! Okay, so this plane has circled, I've seen it circle like 4 times.
It was right above our house.
Don't drink and skate. A little story behind this. Warren has known me pretty much my entire life, and he knows I like Jack Daniels, and so we're here for the Autism Mardi Gras event in downtown Fullerton. We do this every year. It's my favorite event to troop. Well, that was fun. It'd be real tight if you liked this video, and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Okay, bye.